Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. When creating template documents, in addition to text and images, another common element to insert is tables. Today, we will introduce how to insert tables using the Templater module. Many times, we need to insert tables into documents. For example, a product document may require adding a price list. In such cases, we can use this functionality. Here's how you insert a table. First, create a template document in any software that can generate DOCX files. Assume we want to insert a product price list at the top. 1. Insert a table. 2. Within the table, enter two types of variables. The first one defines the table itself, starting with %#products% and ending with %/products%. Both the start and end must have a hash and slash, respectively. This variable tells the module that there is a table here. Then, include variables for each column within the table. These are similar to regular text variables, enclosed in %, but they must be placed between %#products% and %/products%. Include one variable for each column in the table. That's it. Once the module program can insert multiple records, the table will automatically expand. Next, open Emily in training mode, go to the Excel Analyzer module. Choose the prepared Excel file. And input the following code to output the data as a JSON formatted text file. After inputting the code, click Test to generate the text file in the Workspace folder. We open the text file and compare it with Excel to observe that each piece of data has been transformed into an object, where the column names become keys and the values in each column become the corresponding values in the objects. Additionally, all these objects are gathered into an array. Then, finish training this module and proceed to the Templater module. Pick the previously created file and input the following program. after entering the following code. Click Test, and you will see an array containing multiple objects in the console. Each object represents a piece of data. Take a closer look at the contents of each object and observe the keys. You'll notice that they match the text variables in our template document. These keys represent the column names, and the corresponding values are the data to be filled into the table. So, it's essential to ensure that the key names match the text variables in the template document. They must match for the data to be correctly inserted into the table. After confirming there are no issues, add the following code. Here, the products after output corresponds to the outer variables in the template document, %#products % and %/products %. Ensure that the text on both sides matches exactly for the table to be inserted correctly. After filling in the code, click Test again. Open the file in the workspace, and you'll see that the data from the items array has been inserted into the table. You may encounter the following situations that result in the generated file not meeting expectations. You can check if the keys filled in the output in the code correspond to the variables in the file. For example, output products list equals item does not correspond to %#product %/product %, which would result in no table in the document. Another potential issue is when the keys in the objects do not correspond to the text variables in the template file, which can also cause errors. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.